Hi, this is Emily's Creations, and today I'll be making firework cookies. For this recipe, you'll need 1 batch of my refrigerated cookie dough, coloured sugar crystals, soft sugar pearls, a star cookie cutter, rolling pin, guides for rolling your cookie dough. I use 6mm knitting needles, and wax paper. Divide the dough into sections. This will make it easier to work with. Cover one section of dough with wax paper and roll it flat. Use your guides so that the dough is even all over. Use the star cookie cutters to cut out the star shapes. Gently pull the extra dough away. You can use it again later. Sprinkle the coloured sugar over all your stars. I used gold, silver and pink. Cover the cookies with wax paper and gently push the sugar into the dough. Decorate your cookies with the sugar pearls. Push them in well. Move your cookies to a baking tray. Make sure they aren't touching each other. Bake them in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 9 to 11 minutes. Allow them to cool on a tray or wire rack. And there you have it, firework cookies. Happy New Year! Thanks for watching Emily's Creations. Don't forget to subscribe.